Hi there, this is Travis Rogers, CEO of DrDDS. I'm here to talk about Gohighlevel or High Level for Dental. So over the last year, we've been working with the Gohighlevel team to create a solution to connect HighLevel to the dental practice management systems with some other tools that make it very effective to sell your agency marketing tools if you're a high-level agency to dentists. So if you're not an agency, you don't use HighLevel, this is not the video for you. If you are, let's talk about why HighLevel for dental. Obviously, dentists, and we've been selling to dentists for a long time. We know dentists want integrated tools to market their practice. They are weary of marketing folks because they do get bombarded by quite a few. So we'll talk about some tools. We have a whole education course on how to sell to dentists. We'll talk about the value of HighLevel, the fact that it can eliminate many of the costly systems and the redundant systems that the dental practices have. We'll talk about why it's important to integrate to their practice management systems, why we can help automate that, and why dentists buy. So talk about the team for a second. I'll talk about my team. We'll talk about use cases for HighLevel, talk about pricing, talk about some add-ons, and I'll walk you through a demo of the Gohighlevel integration. So I've been doing this a long time. Launched a lot of products, sold a lot of software. I'm kind of known as the dental technology guy, the integration person in the dental industry. I do have an amazing support team behind me, both from a development perspective, but here's the folks that are dedicated to Gohighlevel agencies. So Kristen in sales, Grace in support, Heather works on our partnerships, and Lou on the integration side. You guys are going to love working with these people. So a lot of use cases. In fact, I think this is just probably about half the use cases that we've come up with. But patient reminders, review requests, and treatment acceptance is always something that's very important to dental practices. So we've got quite a few consultants on staff, people that can help you create those sequences, those campaigns, those workflows for the things that are important to dentists. And that's really what you want to figure out when you're working with these guys is what's important to that particular dentist. Scheduling, showing availability in the scheduling application. We can do email, text, voicemail. The practice management systems that they use have none of those capabilities. So it's a huge opportunity. A lot of data cleanup. Most dental practices do not collect emails. They do typically have phone numbers, so there's some opportunities there. Patient reactivation, everybody likes to bring patients back in the office that have come in before end of year insurance verification, and word of mouth referrals, which typically if you get a word of mouth referral from one patient to another, they got a 70% success rate with treatment acceptance. We do integrate with about 80% of the market. These are the big ones that we integrate with. We've got constantly adding more. We've got about 250 fields of potential integration, but we've really focused on the main areas, which we could talk about later as well. The integration pulls over the important things from the practice management systems. We actually pay, so we follow the rules of these developer programs, EagleSoft, Dentrix. They actually charge a fee, and we pay that fee. Open Dental, Dentrix Enterprise as well. We take care of that whole process of integrating. I always compare us to the Zapier of dental integrations for Gohighlevel. We also provide a database. We actually have a national database, but if you sign up with your first client, we'll give you 100 contacts in your area, and then we do have a national database available. There's a lot that goes into HIPAA compliance. I'm not going to bore you with the details of that, but we're in a HIPAA compliant data center. We work a lot with cybersecurity. We have a multi-million-dollar policy to cover any kind of cybersecurity issues. We're hosting, which is really almost 100% uptime. In fact, my IT guy just made me take out the 0.1, but so far we've had 100% uptime on this. We do offer full services. So when you first sign up, we'll give you your first 5 installs, and then after that, we do offer a white glove opportunity for someone from my team to take the entire integration process off your hands. We do also offer a training class. We want to help you be successful. We want to give you the tools to be successful, to sell your agency services to dental offices. And there are a lot of nuances of selling to dental practices. We also have some add-ons. So we have a key performance indicator analytics platform. We've got something off the shelf. You can iframe it in. We also have APIs, things like that. We also have a white labeled analytics option. So for those that want it in their own brand, we can talk about that as well. So here's what our analytics platform looks like. We call it Scout. And then here's an example of a white labeled version of it. So happy to work with you and talk more about that. Let me talk about the integration for a second. We make it really easy. All you have to do is go to integrate.drdds.com. There's a sign up link there. Sign them up, log them in. Once they're in, first thing that you want to do is connect their practice management system. In fact, we suggest that you connect to their practice management system first. And once you verify that that integration, that sync is coming over, then what you do is it will actually be able to give you the opportunity to go into Gohighlevel. We call it Other CRM, so nobody knows that it's Gohighlevel. You click on Turn It On, you click on Manage. You can create a new one. This is actually what we suggest. If you have a new customer, do the integration first, create a new location, or you can sync it with an existing location. Or in some of the areas, maybe you don't want to sync all the locations that you have set up. So once that's done, we also do sync users. So the users that are coming out of the practice management system, the hygienists, the dentists, etc., will create a new user from that information that we have directly coming out of their practice management system. You can also choose not to sync them, or you can sync with an existing one as well. Same thing with the operatories. So when it comes to scheduling, when you want to view the availability of the practice and show patients the opportunity to go in and book a calendar invite, most of these practices, I'll tell you, and we've been doing this a long time, don't want you to automatically write back into their schedule, but they do want to have a confirmation step. So it'll show the availability of the patient, so their opportunity to book that appointment is much higher because we know that there's an opening there. There's a lot of flexibility in the scheduling side. Again, you can choose not to sync a certain operatory. You can put multiple operatories into one calendar as we show you there, or you can do a one-to-one. So what it looks like, so once you've created that account, it basically pre-builds, and we do not sell to dentists. We work with agencies that sell to dentists. We don't sell this product direct. We sell only through agencies. But here's a sample. This is our demo environment. We create the actual account in Gohighlevel. We load the patients. You can see this guy has this particular practice who has 18,000 patients coming over. We also synchronize the team members, the relevant team members. These are the two dentists. And then we also synchronize the calendar. So that's what it looks like in Gohighlevel. So really interested in helping you reach more dentists, be successful at selling the HighLevel product to dentists. Reach out to us, reach out to my team. We're here to help you and look forward to working with you.